The National Health Insurance Bill has been passed by this House. And that will provide free health care at the point of care for all South Africans.
Hey, I'm telling you.
They want to make a massive new fund and run it, and it can be easily looted like all the other funds.
Now the bill has arrived on my desk. I'm going through the bill. Yes, I'm looking for a pen. I'm looking for a pen.
Aside from the ANC, everybody hates this bill. The DA, EFF, IFP, Freedom Front Plus, and more have all criticized this bill because it feels insane to put all this money into making healthcare free.
We don't have money. It's finished. We don't have nothing.
Don't raise What does ANC stand for?
ANC.
Yeah, ANC.
Ayikho enye indlela ungayibiza ngayikaka ngiyamba. Akusamanzi omdaka ikaka uyayibona ubala ukuthi ikaka.
I'm signing it tomorrow.
No.
I'm signing here.
I believe that the NHI is going to be an absolute disaster in South Africa. So much so that my family and I are taking out an international medical plan.
What does ANC stand for?
African. Nation. Continent.
Yeah. Okay, that's ANC.
Phone Nitki, I just bumped my small toe.